I'm Steven with Mod in Japan, and this is an MIJ driver feature where we highlight a driver with a cool build or motorsports program. Our team went out to the Super Lap Battle Finals by Global Time Attack at Buttonwillow Raceway to cover our friend and Novell Racing sponsored driver David Yansens in his Lexus RC F, featuring a complete Novell front-end conversion and all the carbon fiber aerodynamic components by Novell Japan. As an active road racing competitor, he races year-round, and this year we entered him into Super Lap just to push more Lexus vehicles into the US Time Attack arena. But I'll let you tell him more about his program.
Good morning, everyone. My name is David Yansens. I'm from Buena Park, California. We're here at Global Time Attack Finals Day 2, and this is my Lexus RC F. I purchased this car early January 2019 and have started participating in Time Attack competitions since 2020, and it's been going in about 4 years. I'm here sponsored by Novell Racing, Mod in Japan, to represent their new Aero kit for the Lexus RC F, which is this beautiful front bumper conversion kit. And thank you for the opportunity to Mod in Japan and Novell. And I appreciate for all the support that you guys have given me. The car has the following mods, which is the Novell Racing full kit, including the front bumper conversion, which is the first ever in the United States, probably the world, and the first one for sure that has been driven at the Time Attack competition. It also has the 6-piece carbon fiber kit, front lip, side skirts, the rear valance, and the rear diffuser. Other than that, the car is pretty much in a stock form as far as power-wise. It's still passing smog with stock headers, and all it does basically is suspension, brakes, and weight reduction. Being the first with this front-end conversion has given me the opportunity to test its functionality. I do notice that the car has picked up a little bit more power due to the excellent cooling that it provides. As you can tell from the front air dams, it incorporates the brake cooling duct as well as more downforce for the radiator and more airflow. This is my very first Global Time Attack experience. It has been quite a journey, especially with little time given since after SEMA. It's literally only less than a week after I got back from Vegas. So it's very time crunching, and it's quite challenging to prepare a car within that time frame. I would like to thank my sponsor as well, Yokohama Wheel USA and Yokohama Tire for sponsoring me for SEMA. So like I mentioned before, participating in Global Time Attack, it's quite been a challenging experience just because it's a more prestigious event filled with fast drivers and fast cars that are seriously built for Time Attack competitions. Global Time Attack has given me a lot of experience to make me think and make some planning moving forward. It is very different than the other competition that I used to be in, for example, TRD Series and GR Movement, which I am a back-to-back champion for 2021 and 2022 in touring class. And I will be securing this year's GR Movement in Grand Touring class first place as well. However, Global Time Attack really opened my eyes on what needs to be changed as far as setup-wise, especially Aero. Downforce a very big game in this competition. I would like to add a little bit more aggressive splitter and a rear GT wing while still retaining the beautiful Novell Racing kit. So the last race for me for this year is GR movement, 2023 championship for Grand Touring class in Streets of Willow. We will be doing counterclockwise format in December 10th. So I'm looking forward to finish that strong. And then moving forward, I'm planning to be in probably unlimited class, depending on where my car stands after all those modifications that I mentioned. I believe moving forward, since I've taken care of a good amount of the lightweight reduction, brakes, setups, as well as tires, now it's time for more serious power, meaning I will put on the headers that I've already purchased, as well as going more aggressive tune. I would like to thank Novel Racing Japan, as well as Mod in Japan, Mr. Taku Watanabe-san, Stephen Tran, the whole team from Brand Creative. I really appreciate you guys for coming out to show support and for giving me the opportunity to participate in this Global Time Attack event. Thanks.
Again, this is Steven with Mod in Japan. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate your continued support. If you'd like to continue to support the channel and content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. If you want to follow along in our builds and adventures, we'll have links to our social media in the description below. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.